Hi dear Aries, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is journal, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed anytime. And the third thing that this is a reading from 1st of November till the 10th of November, okay? So let's start. Aries, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Aries, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. See. Okay, so your partner's current energy right now is of King of Cups. King of Cups. Beautiful emotional stability of emotions. Okay. So right now Aries, your person is going through some kind of emotional stability, or they are trying to make themselves very emotionally stable, or it could also mean that they are deeply in love with you. It could mean that they are deeply in love with you, and this time this love is not just time pass or immature kind of love. This time this is different kind of soulful connection, different kind of soulful love that they are experiencing. Okay, I have to clarify the card for you in their current energy. Let's see. Let's clarify the King of Cups in their current energy. Page of Wands and the Queen of Cups and the Seven of Wands. Okay, yeah, this person wants to communicate with you that they have lots of love for you, that they have lots of emotions, still lots of love and lots of emotions for this connection, but they are acting defensive. Okay, this person is acting defensive, cold, off and detached, but let me tell you that this person have lots of love for you. Their current energy, they are experiencing lots of love for you right now. This person do want to open up, and this person do want to communicate with you, and they just want to tell you how much they care for you, how much they love you, but they are acting defensive and cold. They are acting somewhat closed off, detached from you. See, this is King of Cups and this is Queen of Cups. Both of you are in this connection, and both of you are feeling the energy, both of you are feeling the love. So this person right now is trying to be emotionally stable because they carry so much love for you. So they don't want you to get overwhelmed, and they don't want themselves to be overwhelmed. Okay, they're trying their best to stabilize their emotions regarding this connection with you. This person is so much in love that they don't want to mess things. This is the thing. Okay, let's see what's your current energy. Cool. What's your current energy, Aries? Moon could be dealing with a Pisces here. You are living in some kind of unknown fear. You are living in some kind of unknown fear. You are sinking from inside. You are thinking all the negative stuff of the universe, especially regarding this connection. You are not at all sure about things. You are thinking that you're fearing the unknown. Might be this unknown is never going to happen, but you are thinking that everything around me is working against me. Nothing is working for me. Everyone and everything sucks. It's like there's a blockage in your intuition, and you are fearing the unknown without any reason. You don't have any reason to do that, but you are fearing. There's a certain blockage in your intuition. You're not able to listen to your intuition, not able to tap into the positive side of your energy. This is your current energy right now. Let me clarify the moon. Let me see what is happening. Five of Swords and the Hanged Man and the Judgment. Definitely you guys had a fight, ego battle between you guys. There was an ego battle between you guys, you and them, and you were certainly the one who backed off. Okay, you tried your best to solve or resolve the problem, but you backed off because you feel like this person is really egoistic, or they can't handle the ego, they can't handle this battle. So that's why you went silent. You went silent and cold, and you went detached, and you tried to forgive them. Okay, you tried to forgive them and you tried to have a reconciliation, and that didn't happen. So in the current scenario, I feel like you tried your best to reconcile with this person, you tried your best to forgive them, and you tried your best to seek forgiveness from their side, but nothing worked out in your favor, and that's why you are fearful right now as well, that it is not going to work out no matter how hard you try. That's your fear. That's your fear that you are going through right now. Got it, Aries. Let me see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let me see. Mm, Queen of Cups. My God, you both are in love. You both are in love. Okay? Although this is their feelings for you, but I understand that you are also feeling the same, but you are fearing to understand, and you are not able to listen to your intuition. You are not ready to listen to your intuition actually. So what this person feels for is love. Queen of Cups, and this is kind of beautiful energy of feminine love, okay? Caring kind of love. This is not lustful love at all. This is soulful love that they are feeling for you. Wow, this man is, or this woman is completely in love with you. Even if they are not telling you, they are. Let me clarify the Queen of Cups. So the roles can be reversed anytime. It could be you who is feeling like this, and they are the one who is fearing the outcome. It could be you also. Let me clarify. You have to take the reading as it is resonating with you, okay? The Emperor, the Aries card, and the Seven of Swords and the Six of Swords. Okay, so this person is deciding, they are feeling like they should just open up and tell you how much they love you, and have a peaceful resolution, and have a peaceful future with you, and have a peaceful connection with you, or you can say peaceful resolution, because of the fights that you guys had in the past. So what they feel is love. You could be dealing with another Aries here, because the Emperor card is here, and your partner is deciding energetically, at least they are feeling like they should do that they should tell you that they love you, and they should not follow this poker face technique anymore, and just have a peaceful start with you, have a peaceful resolution with you. This is what they feel for you. They are deciding that they are going to open up and spill the beans and tell you the secret, and the secret is that they have lots of love for you, and they want to reestablish this connection, or you can say, or giving this connection another chance. They feel like this. They feel like giving this connection another chance, because they have lots of love for you. My God, this is love, love, and love around you from them. What they want from you, let's see. What they want from you. Page of Pentacles in reverse. I think you have blocked this person from everywhere. Where you have blocked this person from communication, from Facebook, Insta, WhatsApp, whatever social media kind of things you use. You have blocked them. So they want you to unblock them and start the conversation, start the communication. There is a blockage in communication for sure. Either from your side or either from their side, I don't know. But this person wants to open up the gates of communication. Page of Pentacles in reverse is like they want to start the communication, because right now the communication is not happening, or if it is happening, it is so much on and off. Okay, so that's why this person just wants to open up the gate of communication, and they want you to unblock them if you have blocked them, and they will unblock you if they have done it. Okay, so it is what they want from you. So they just want you to unblock them and open up to them, and open up the gates of communication and conversation between you guys anyhow. Okay, let me clarify the Page of Pentacles in reverse. Nine of Wands and the Eight of Swords, my God, and the Ace of Wands. Yes, definitely there's a blockage in the conversation and communication, because I can see that this person wants you to come out of this hurtful situation. They know that you are very, very hurt by what they did. Still you are standing your ground, still you are standing strong, and still you are acting courageous. They know that you are very hurt. They want you to come out of this hurtful situation. They want you to come out of this mental jail that you have created around yourself with your own thoughts, the negativity, the toxicity, and they want you to restart. See, Ace of Wands. They want you to restart. This is what they want from you. This is again the card of communication, fertility, and you can say expressiveness. This is fire sign energy. So what they want from you is they want you to come out of this mental jail, they want you to come out of this negative thinking and just reopen to them. Okay, let's see what is coming towards you till 10th of November, Aries. Let's see. Knight of Pentacles. This is a beautiful stable energy coming towards you. Knight of Pentacles is the most stable card in the whole gold card deck, you can say. So Knight of Pentacles, it is like they are coming in very very slowly, but they are coming in definitely, and there will be stability. There will be a stability. There will be a stable offer from their side. I don't say commitment. I can't say commitment as of now, but yes, there is some kind of stability coming in regarding this relationship in your life. Okay. Finally, there will be stability coming in this connection with them. Let me clarify. I never feel like clarifying the outcome, but I do. I don't know. A Knight of Wands and the Eight of Pentacles and the Strength card. You could be dealing with a Leo here. So this person is coming in with lots of love, lots of passion, and they will be like, I want to work on this connection with you, and they will be like, yes, I have decided it. So might be they are not coming like. Coming with a love offer in hand, they will hold back a lot of things as of now also, but they will try their best to come to you and restart this connection on a stable level. Okay, so yes, you can expect this person to come towards you. So thank you so much for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste, bye bye.